Hi, thank you for joining us for this week's video. Today we're going to be demonstrating the assembly of the TM Hera Pen Kit. The Hera is available in 3 different platings. It's available in a rhodium, black titanium, or we do have a rose gold and black titanium accents as well. The kit is really easy to assemble, single barrel, uses the standard Sierra type bushes. The tube length is fractionally shorter than a standard Sierra, but other than that, the principle is exactly the same. Like all our single tube twists, the twist mechanism on the back edge. Today's pen was turned by Katie over at KT Turnings on Instagram. It's using a GPS Patriot blank. Thank you for watching. Please like us on Facebook, subscribe to us on YouTube, and follow us on Instagram. Thank you. Okay, so looking at the kit components, we've got the end, twist mechanism, clip, where the twist mechanism screws into. Obviously we've got the barrel, the nib end, which comes with a Schmidt P900 refill as standard, and then we've got the spring. Both ends of the tube are the same diameter, so the decision on which way you put that purely down to design and where you want that clip to cover. From this blank, I'll probably put the clip down the back edge here and leave all this nice detailing out, but that's obviously entirely up to you. Same as before, on our other kits, we've just used a quick grip clamp for ease. There are other ways of pressing them together, vices, more expensive pen pressers, things like that. That presses on one end. Decide where you want your clip to go. I'm going to go back there, I think. And then the last job for this kit is to put your spring in. And your refill. Twist your mechanism on the end. Just make sure that's all working nicely. And then finally, press that on. So the Hera has got this nice little pinstriping detail on each end as well. So there you are, one finished TM Hera.